What's up, guys? My name is Elden. Welcome back to another art video. Today's art video is going to be a little bit different. I got something special, something I wanted for a while, and we are about to unbox them. It's not just one item, like this one. It's actually two boxes, because they sent them in two different boxes. So let's jump right into it. First things first, we're going to start out with the a wider of the two boxes. To get this out the way, I got rid of all the information that could allow you guys to track me down because you guys are little weirdos. But no. I got all of this. I will say this item that I am unboxing is a couple months late and the trend of the stuff, but it's something that I wanted, and I am so happy that I am getting. What kind of box? What the fuck did... Okay. Kind of weird, but that it was folded like that. This is a big box for what's inside of here. We got some packaging stuff. As you can see, we got a Microsoft Surface Pro, dude. We got the Microsoft Surface Pro, dude! I'm happy if you got to. I've wanted a mobile drawing tablet, and I didn't want to buy a fucking iPad. So I'm happy when they released this, and then people were ranting and raving about it, saying it's actually really good. So I am all for the downs to obtain this piece of material. So I'm gonna just do a slice here. Let's see. I am curious about how the pen actually feels, because my current drawing tablet is a Scion Canvas Pro 13 or something like that. So this is the pen right here, as you can see. You've probably seen it in my other videos, but it's a pretty big pen compared to this pen right here. Here's a better video footage of the two pens side by side. The right one is the Microsoft Slim pen. The left one is the Scion. The Scion is a bit thicker, a bit longer. The Microsoft pens is more of like a drafting pen for like architecture and stuff like that, or a pencil, I should say. But I actually prefer the Microsoft Slim one. It just feels a lot nicer. It's a little bit lighter, not as thick, and it's like relatively easy to hold in the hand. It's not a bad pen at all. And then this just attaches to the actual Surface Pro. The keyboard, you can feel a little bit of flex in it, but you're not going to... Well, I'm going to be using it mainly for drawing. It just has acting as a cover, and then sometimes if I have to type some stuff up. But, hey, not bad, not bad. So this charges when it's placed in here, the pen. It is one of those pens that charge. I'm not the biggest fan of those, but because it's like built into the actual keyboard, I'm not really gonna complain. And so before we move on, I do want to have a little b-roll and tell you guys this keyboard does have a felt cover. It is very nice on the palm, so when you're resting on it, it doesn't cause your palms to hurt or anything like that. It's a nice touch. Did you guys know that I have a comic called Scion Awakening? You can read it at scionawakening.com. The newest chapter will be coming out relatively soon, and it's one of the reasons why I got this tablet, so I can work on the chapter wherever I want, however I want, and even if I'm taking a shit. Yes. So go check out my previous chapters if you haven't already caught up on it. All right, back to regular scheduled program. This actually came first, and then I had to wait on the keyboard and pen. So I waited for like a couple days for this, the keyboard and pen to come in, and this was just sitting here in the box, but I went to unbox it with you guys, so I haven't touched it. So let's try to unbox this thing. This is a big ass box for this. This is actually significantly has some heft to it. Like, this box has heft to it. I'm assuming because it has a charger and stuff like that in it. But that's a thick boy right there. That's a one thick boy. Alright. So as you can see, Surface Pro 8, Windows 11. I didn't know it had Windows 11. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth compatible. Windows Home 11 Home. Gross. Why not just put Pro in it? Whatever. I can just upgrade the licenses. It's like $10. But nice. Yeah, it says all the stuff right here. The Make sure it's in camera. Microsoft Pro 8, 11th gen Intel, Core i7, 16 gigs of RAM, 256 of whatever, and it's the graphite model. So the black model, as you can see per the cover. If I can get this out, it's nice. Ooh, it does have some weight to it. I will say that. I'll get used to the weight because I'm used to not holding the tablet since I have my other tablet, which is stand, which we'll be showing in a bit. It doesn't come with a. It does not come with a screen protector or anything, which is kind of a shame. I wish it did. So how do I make this kickstand come out without breaking it? Okay, so you just pull. Yeah, it comes out. How far does this go? Oh, this has a nice hinge to it. Okay, so it goes pretty far, so you can have it slightly angled towards you when you're like drawing and stuff. So that's pretty good. And then you could also have it like this for like video content and stuff like that, or just have it flat down when you want to draw stuff. Because it does have like, it has some resistance, but I wouldn't put like your full body weight. Obviously, you wouldn't put your full body weight. I wouldn't put like a ton of pressure on this little hinge. Like, you don't want to be pushing down hard on that. It feels like it will break. We are going to attach the this. So this should just ooh, I like that. That little fucking that little whoop. When you go into the market and you finally bring home a big booty chick, whoop, just slide right in. Okay. Cool.
Here you have a better angle of what the keyboard looks like with the pen extension a little bit out so you can see the pen. And right now you can actually see what it looks like when the magnet is attached, covering the pen, hiding it, and allowing you a better angle for typing experience. So I do want to take this time to compare the Scion Canvas Pro 13 versus the Surface Pro 8. This isn't going to be like a comparison from spec to spec, but in size comparison. Both of the screens are 13 inches, but you will notice that the Scion one is a little bit longer than the Surface Pro 13. Surface Pro 13 is a little bit wider. It makes it a little bit easier to maneuver and stuff like that, since it's not so elongated and to fit into other places. You can also see that the color vibrancy is just a bit different, just built different. And it pops a bit more, so you get a nicer, richer tones when you are working on the piece, and see said nicer, richer tones at the same time. Right now you can see the actual visual comparison of like how I mean that it is elongated on the Scion Canvas Pro 13 versus the Surface Pro 8. And this is the end of the video. I do want to say quickly though, I have been using it since I recorded the last bit for a couple hours, meaning like around 10 to 12 hours or so, and I really like it. There are some things that when the actual review comes out that I will be talking about, some specific to certain art programs that I tend to use on a regular, but other than that, it's been very, very nice and I like it a lot. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my social media. You'll see an animation playing right now. This animation will be changed in the future, upcoming future, once the newest chapter is released of the comic. So go check that out if you haven't already checked that out also. And don't forget to follow me over on Twitch, twitch.tv/SouthernDraws, and I'll be going live there randomly whenever I feel like it. Maybe soon, maybe not. You never know. Go follow me over there so you get a notification. Anyways, once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. Peace. Ooh, bye-bye.